Hi everyone, my name's Alexa. I'm a junior majoring in elementary ed, minoring in sped. Um, right now I just moved to Duluth recently and I got a kitty cat. His name is Benji. um, my boyfriend and I got him from Animal Allies, so he's 4, but we've only had him for about 3 months now and he's amazing. Um, for a job, I work at Subway on Belknap, so right across from campus. If you guys have ever gone there, it's usually me working. Um, I guess hobbies and interests. I like to paint and grow plants, so I don't have any with me, but I like to paint pots and then find random plants to put inside of them. So that's one thing that I like to do, and I have grow lights for in the winter. Um, One of the decisions that kind of helped me decide that I want to become a teacher, I guess, would be my second job that I do still work. I'm a personal care assistant, so a PCA for a boy with autism. It's been about 3 years now that I've been doing that job. I graduated with his brother in high school, which is how I kind of got the job. So it's really fun. Um, but after doing that, I mean, before that job, I was also volunteering for Special Olympics for about like 3 years before that job. So, like, freshman year of high school. Um, and I just realized that that was something that I really liked. At first, I was just gonna become a para, and then I realized that there are just special ed teachers. So that's really what my focus is over a general ed teacher. And then a goal that I have for this course is just kind of bettering my knowledge of how to have a diverse and accepting classroom. I've taken, I think, one class about it, but I mean, you can never be an expert on something like that. So I just kind of plan on reading the book a lot and kind of getting better ideas of different things to incorporate into my classroom to make it feel more comfortable for my students and accepting. So yeah, can't wait to meet all ya.